I don't give a about what people think. And I think that is what makes me more real, and that is what gives me courage not only to be real, to also teach the future generation to be real. Ye log, ye power couple, ha ha ha, they are power idiots and this and that. And you don't know anything about somebody. You don't know the lives we have changed. The worst thing is when they target kids, okay? And you're like how, what losers are they? For my kids, there was a lot of kids trolling that I had to. अरे इसके बच्चे क्या स्कूल नहीं जाते क्या? अरे इसके बच्चे देखो ना कैसे? अरे ये क्या अच्छा? Somebody said, oh, for once we are seeing that she's spending time with her kids. Like nowadays, women are really dropping off their clothes just to be gaining that kind of attention. True. That is something I cannot even comprehend. इसके twins है, तभी भी she's achieved what she wants. She's married, still it didn't stop her. You know, so all this society norms anyway we're breaking, but break it for the good reasons. After I came out of Bigg Boss, I realized that most of the people inside were acting. Oh God. And it wasn't real. People thought I was psycho, people thought I was crazy, but that strategy of mine kept me there for 3 months. I would have been out right after Afi.
Yeah.
Dude, they are women. We should be treated like queens. If there's a kingdom, like you said, Shiro, there is queendom as well.
Yeah. She's smart, she's strong-headed, she's courageous, but above all, she is one of the most real people that you will meet, and that is what makes her a true Shiro. Welcoming Sara Arfeen Khan on a fresh new episode of Shiros only on the FPJ Showbiz. Hi Sara, how have you been?
Hi Rashida, I've been good. How have you been?
I have been good. Firstly, I have to apologize on record. I have made you wait so much, and you are literally the sweetest person to be waiting and still doing it. So I have to give it to you. Thank you so much.
Thanks to you too. Thank you for coming and actually inviting me for this, because this is a subject which is very close to my heart. So I don't want to skip this.
Oh, so sweet. You know, I saw your interview with Paras, and that is what prompted me to reach out to and actually ask her that, you know, can we do it with Sara? Because I believe in inviting guests on Shiros who truly represent what the name stands for. You know, we have heard so many times, ये हीरो है. हम फीमेल को भी बोल देते हैं, अरे तू तो हीरो है. Why not celebrate her gender and call her a true Shiro? And you've shown that on Bigg Boss. After that, you have shown in all your interviews and all your conversations how real you are. But it takes a huge deal of courage to be this honest. How do you still manage to be that?
I don't give a about what people think. And I think that is what makes me more real, and that is what gives me courage not only to be real, to also teach the future generation to be real. I mean, I have twins, mashallah, and if I am not real, they will copy me.
Yeah.
So me and Hafeen, apart from making sure and doing conscious parenting, we have to lead by examples. So, and this is my main agenda in life. I want to be real. I want to be speaking out what I believe. A lot of times in Bigg Boss as well, people hated me for what I did, but that was my reality. Even in 24 hours, you don't see the exact reality what is being shown out. So I know what I went through. I know what cheating I had to undergo. I know the unfairity that I had to undergo. So if people hate me, so be it. At least I will die peacefully in my head thinking I was real.
Yes,
I was not faking anything just to be liked. This liked by people has ruined many women's lives, especially women.
That is so true.
Because mostly women seek validation. Of course, men do as well.
Yeah.
But it's more amongst women because we want to look good all the time, you know, we forget that because of this whole saga of looking good, we are losing ourselves.
Yeah, that is so true. But you know, when you were inside the house, one funny bit that I thought was that one section, and that was filled with mostly women, was supporting you like anything. They were on your team. But there was another section which was also filled with women who were bashing you. So I was like, what is happening? What happened to, you know, a girl's girl? Because I didn't find anything wrong that you did inside. You were a very strong-headed person,
Yeah.
and I think हम सब as a society ना strong-headed women से डरते हैं आज
जी,
भी,
जी.
क्योंकि वो हमें call out कर देगी if it's wrong.
Yeah.
Do you face that even today in 2025?
Of course I do face that. I face it every time. Even if the paps are regularly clicking us, you will see the comments down. And it's just like very funny. Like, you know, say for example, just recently me and Afeen were papped and clicked. And I do this for fun, okay? मेरे पास थोड़ा ज़्यादा extra time होगा ना तो I'll read the comments. It's very funny.
Yeah.
So it's like ये लोग, ये power couple, ha, they are power idiots and this and that. You don't know anything about somebody. You don't know the lives we have changed, especially during COVID. You know, the amount of work that we have done, especially Afeen, in improving people's mindset and improving people's relationships and improving people's lives by taking them out of substance abuse. And then you talk this. How shallow are you? And mostly women will comment. So I'm like, very shallow. But that's what makes it their reality. You see, they're never happy.
Yeah.
Because your comment and your perception of people is what you feel inside for yourself. Because you envy what somebody else has, or something that is missing in you, you're seeing in somebody, you're not liking it. And that is the reality. So अगर आपको किसी का जिंदगी देखना हो ना, just understand the perception of them and their reality. You'll understand their whole life.
That is so true. What you said is so powerful. Also, you said you read comments. I know that, you know, you have a huge deal of maturity now to not feel bad, but
absolutely.
Sometimes I don't know, I have these days where you are like feeling low and कोई कुछ बोल देता है, कोई कुछ लिख देता है, वो चुप जाती है बात. जब ऐसा होता है, how do you explain yourself that all this is just noise?
Sometimes I avoid reading. Most of the time I avoid reading. I don't check this thing. लेकिन कभी-कभी when you're on a road trip, when you know you're just chilling, I'm like, okay, let's have fun. And the worst thing is when they target kids, okay, and you're like how, what losers are they? And yes, I have moments where I sometimes feel very low, and at that point when you read the message. So I'll tell you what I do when I'm in the lowest state and I have by chance come across that message. I will reply to them. Otherwise I don't reply. मैं हंसती हूँ और reply भी ऐसे करती हूँ to give them a reality check, like it's sad that your reality is such, or ha, is this what you've been taught by your parents? Because ultimately it all comes on parents.
True.
And if you are talking about somebody's wife, child, daughter, whoever, it just reflects upon what your family teachings have been, you know. So I give them this taunt, or I simply laugh at them. I'm like, ha.
Wow. No, you must always do that. I also feel having a strong partner today is so important, because पहले बोला जाता था हर successful आदमी के पीछे एक औरत का हाथ होता है. I feel today you just both of you need to be very, very, very supportive of each other. How do you guys manage that? You all have beautiful twins, and you know, make उनको भी एक अच्छी upbringing देना. You just spoke about parents, and it is true, everything in your life matters and comes from your upbringing.
Yes.
So how's the equation like with you, with Afeen, with the kids?
You know, believe it or not, my kids don't go to school.
Oh.
Yeah, they're 6 years old and they haven't gone to school yet.
Wow.
They haven't seen a school institute yet. But yes, they have gone for classes. They go for their maths classes. They go for abacus. They've gone for language classes, which is very, very important.
Yeah.
It's underrated, you know, language. But I think language is the most powerful subject that you can teach your kids. The reason why we haven't sent kids to school is we do not believe in the concept of pass and fail, firstly. Secondly, all the kids are trained to follow instructions and rules without questioning it. Why? हम भेड़ बकरी तो नहीं चला रहे ना. We're bringing humans, and when you're bringing an intellectual human being in this world, you have to give them the power to question why you're following certain things.
Absolutely.
Imagine in the school, even today, a child has to ask permission to go to the loo. Why? What for? And I don't understand this logic of pass fail. I don't understand the logic of being bullied. And I know that every child, every human has to go through this, but not at the age of 6.
Yes.
Once they are 7, you have built a very strong values and rules. after that their heart is stronger.
Yeah.
At the age of 7 you have given that, and their heart has built with strength, values, family beliefs. Then send them to school. I'm not against institution, but going early.
Yeah.
You know, as young as 2 years old, the parents separate their child. Okay, so there's already a connection lost when they need the most connection. They go to the nursery, they go to the play school. Play school is fine, couple of hours they have to do that. But going straight to an institute where they are there, the whole ideology of beliefs and value is set by an outside source.
Yeah.
Because you're I won't say lazy parent, but I will also say some are lazy parents. Conscious parenting is not where you outsource your values and beliefs.
Yeah.
It starts from home, and it has to begin from home, and it has to be stronger at home. Then send them. Then you see how they take on the world.
Wow. No, this parenting must have also taken a lot of courage. Not everyone has the guts to do it, as you rightly mentioned.
Yeah.
Because what you just said, now that I think of it, it is such a logical thing what you're saying.
Yeah.
And I think everyone should follow this, because this is somewhat the right path. I have seen little kids having trauma from what they face in school, and that goes on till they are my age, your age, till they grow up. It remains in them.
Absolutely. और हमारे घर में कैमराज है, बच्चों के रूम में कैमराज है. आपने अभी देखा in social media there was a picture taken from a CCTV camera where this girl in the daycare nursery has dropped the kid on purpose, and she's beating the shit out of him. How is this even allowed? Are you really that stupid that you're putting in an institute where you don't even have a nanny? And please, we are living in such a brilliant country where we have
access.
Oh my God, we have the access and luxury of staff. We have that. We have the access and luxury of CCTV. Straight on the phone you can check. अगर मेरा बच्चा किसी daycare nursery में है तो मैं वो access लूँगी. Camera ka, dude, I will not leave on an unknown person. And we are outsourcing everything. We are outsourcing education, we are outsourcing parenting, we are outsourcing values and beliefs. तो फिर बच्चे को पैदा क्यों किया? Think about it. When I get trolled sometimes on my kids, I think there was this airport spotting that the Paps did for me. And for my kids, there was a lot of kids trolling that I had to. अरे इसके बच्चे क्या स्कूल नहीं जाते क्या? अरे इसके बच्चे देखो ना कैसे? अरे ये क्या अच्छा? Somebody said, oh, for once we are seeing that she's spending time with her kids or taking. I'm like, dude, I have given up on my TV shows to make sure that I'm not 24 hours or 18 hours a day outside doing a show. Even till today, I'm getting a lot of TV shows. However, I'm not against TV show. I would love to do a TV show if there's cameo or it's finite show. 2-3 mahina I will do. You know, I can get the kids there. There's that. I want to do that. But I'm not going to do 1 year ka show where I don't know how my kids are being raised. There is a reason why I've bought them in this life, in this beautiful world, and they are going to be the next incredible success humans. And for that, they require my attention and our feeds.
Wow. You know, people are so easily they comment, yes, time nahi spend karti. Sometimes I feel it's so much to do with them and how they are. See, you will only offer what you have within you. If you have hate to offer, you will only offer hate.
That's what I'm saying.
We have love to offer, we'll only offer love to people.
Absolutely.
Now that is the way we should all look at it, because फिर हम क्यों ही अपना अंदर से हम बुरा feel करें about these things. But despite that, you just said something which has touched my heart, that you don't want to do a very big TV show because फिर उस time पूरा जाएगा, and this also takes this decision to make it because of motherhood and because you want to raise your kids right. It there's also this word called mom guilt. जब आप काम कर रहे होते हो वो आता है, you know. How do you cope up with that today?
I don't have mom guilt.
Lovely.
And I always tell all the mothers, please don't have mom guilt. क्योंकि आप उतना ही करोगे जो आपके कैपेसिटी में है. दूसरे बकते रहेंगे, भौंकते रहेंगे. आपको किसी को जस्टिफाई नहीं करना है. You are a mother. You know what you're doing. And जो लोग बोलते हैं नहीं ये देखो माँ ऐसे अपने बच्चे को. I have a lot of women that I faced in my life that actually kept taunting me that देखो कैसे अपने बच्चे से ये करा रही है. अरे ये मेरे नैनीज को कोई पूछते, you'll be shocked. The actors have asked my nanny, दीदी टाइम स्पेंड करती है क्या बच्चों के साथ? My nanny just looked and she just couldn't believe, and they're close people, and close people from the industry, and I'm like, I said, and I told to my nanny, Soni, ये उनका reality है, क्योंकि वो नहीं कर पा रहे हैं कुछ, और वो देख रहे कि सोशल मीडिया पे एटलीस्ट कि मैं सब कुछ कर रही हूँ, so they can't achieve that. So it's very funny. So in psychology what happens is, even when you go meet a when you meet psychiatrist or something for a particular issue, or when you meet a mind coach to improve your life or something, they'll give you some images.
Okay.
Have you seen people abhi to in kids also there is psychology study where they'll show you images,
Yeah.
okay, and they'll ask you what do you think of
Think
these
of it.
images. Whatever you think of them, there's nothing right and wrong. Your image and your perception of the image tells you what are you thinking internally. So if I see an image or a reel or a social media post या viral बयानी के या instant Bollywood या कहीं पे भी I see a post, मेरा perception जो है, look at this stupid, and I'm like, wow, it's so empowering. About women nowadays, you put a post about women, what she's wearing on cans and what she's wearing on other things, people are trolling, kya pehnti hai, ye dekho kya. But if I look at it and I see, wow, what an inspiration. Unless it's really bad, like nowadays women are really dropping off their clothes just to be gaining that kind of attention. That is something I cannot even comprehend, because that for them in the future is so bad. It looks all good and rosy that they're getting all this attention, but what in life when you don't get that attention anymore? You are going to age, dude. Yeah, and you have to age gracefully. You're going to get married, you're going to have kids. When you don't get that attention, that's why most of the celebrities opt for substance abuse, because when you don't get, how do you fill that void? And how much can you drop with your clothes? And I don't understand. We are living in a country of culture and values. Why are we even encouraging this?
That is true.
Even the paps are encouraging this, even the media, society, everybody. You see most of the posts, somebody like not dressed at all going to a restaurant. There should be strict restrictions on that.
That is true.
कि this dress code is not allowed.
Not allowed.
बोल के तो देखो कैसे change होगा country.
People are changing clothes in front of the paps. Have you seen those videos where they're removing their t-shirts, almost not wearing anything?
I will not be shocked when they start removing their underwears also. Just for this. Now maybe I've given an idea, maybe they'll start doing that as well.
Oh God, but you spoke about this part. I saw a clip where you were talking about self-love and teaching women. I believe this so much that women have become and are since the beginning validation hungry. But I do understand you have a certain insecurity, but until unless you don't truly love yourself, nobody else is gonna love you. So you have to understand that, and you have changed so many people's lives. I read a comment that somebody on your recent post, a woman wrote, she was from Dubai, and she said that, you inspire me and you give me inspiration. And I have this thing, when I interview somebody, I go read their positive comments, because there are so many.
No, it's fun reading the negative.
It is, but
it actually pushes me, it inspires me more. Thank you guys, thank you for all the negative comments. I'm telling you, first of all, you guys make my day. Okay, it's very entertaining. I get an insight of different mindsets also, what's happening in your lives especially, and then I find it very funny that most of them are even bots and fakes.
They are, like, trust me. Some people who are a little insecure of you are hiring these people.
Bots. I'm like, I'm popular, girl.
But how does it feel to inspire women?
I'm blessed if people are getting inspired by me. Mera logic consciously inspire करने का नहीं है. मेरा logic ये है to lead a life that I believe that my kids should continue with. And in that sense, I think I inspire. So I love it when I get these messages. It's like a daily dose of power. When you read this message that you've changed one person's life or you inspire one person, that sort of shakes me. Like my hand got cold even when you just said this. So मेरे अंदर वो है, and to bring about change is, I think that's what life is all about for me. And if you see every decision that I make in my life, I make it because I want to reach a particular what you call a finish line where there is some kind of motivation for someone.
True.
Or they can follow that कि नहीं यार इसने इसकी twins है तभी भी she's achieved what she wants. She's married, still it didn't stop her. You know, so all this society norms anyway we're breaking, but break it for the good reasons.
True.
Not to keep validating
Yeah.
yourself. The problem with today's generation and today's media culture is you're always hungry for me. What are you offering is what I want to know. Because my team knows, ठीक है, if I'm papped, if I'm in the media, what I also do is I give outward. Like I will randomly tell my team, I need 100 girls, I need 100 kids from an orphanage or from the road, I want them to experience art. And we just randomly do it. Don't give a shit how. I say just do it. I need to go and give and make them experience art. And I'll tell you one of this incident that we went to Bandra Reclamation and my team organized कि पूरा हम लोग ने वो रास्ते पे carpet बिछाया and we had about 150 kids. Okay, we were very excited. We said चलो art करना है. We gave canvases, we put paints. My kids also came. They were distributing paints, putting paints. Dude, the artwork they came out with.
Wow.
I mean, I and my team got very emotional. I'm like, there's a need. ठीक है, एजुकेशन करो, एजुकेशन ठीक है हम करते हैं, लेकिन लाइफ एजुकेशन हमको कौन सिखाएगा? आज तक तो मैंने देखा नहीं स्कूल्स में लाइफ एजुकेशन सिखाते हुए. हैव यू बीन टॉट हाउ टू बी सक्सेसफुल? डिड वी एवर वर वी एवर टॉट अबाउट लाइफ लाइक सेविंग्स? लाइक हाउ डू वी सेव मनी? Or where do we do investments? How do we have a rapport with people? The main essence of life. We are teaching history, geography. आज तक तो वो काम
नहीं आया. True.
Exactly. Nobody asks you, you know. But about life, success, building rapport, having strong communication, body language. How do you sell yourself in terms of putting yourself out in the media or cracking deals? Nobody teaches you that.
Yeah.
And of course, the result is going to be that people are completely validating themselves by funny situations.
Yeah.
Because हमको core responsibility या core essence तो सिखाया ही नहीं है लाइफ का, तो हम किस लिए स्कूल जा रहे हैं?
That is true.
तो जो ये लड़कियाँ लड़के जो आर्ट उन्होंने मुझे दिखाया and I'm like, oh my god, I think art should be not a luxury, it should be easily accessible. Because maybe one of these guys could be you know, the best painter in life.
True.
You never know, their paintings could sell in auctions for god knows how many millions. So I'm actually starting an NGO now that is only for this, to promote art and welfare of kids.
That's so nice.
So me and Afeen are strongly going to bring this out so well, and we're going to make it like not a luxury thing, but a necessity for everyone.
Lovely. Kudos to you too for
Thank
doing
you.
that. I think you know, more people who are watching this should know about what all you guys actually do. You know, वो जब unfortunately जब आप बिग बॉस में जाते हैं ना, वो एक टैग लग जाता है कि ये बिग बॉस में गए हैं तो ये ऐसा है वैसा है, और वो जजमेंट स्टार्ट हो जाती है. But how has life truly changed after that show? Has it changed for good or for bad? Because I also know that you went through a bit of a heartbreak in terms of friendship that you thought would turn into something real, but it didn't.
Yeah, I think everything inside रिश्ते जो बिग बॉस में है वो बहुत ही weird है, because after I came out of Big Boss I realized कि most of the people inside were acting.
Oh God.
And it wasn't real, and what I saw outside was completely different. Me and Afeen were like दिल वाले. हमने जो किया दिल से किया. हमने तो जिनको अपना माना उनको nominate तक नहीं किया, even if they nominated us. So it was very funny. So whatever happens in Big Boss, I think should just stay in Big Boss, and people shouldn't believe or shouldn't make a image of us from what is happening in Big Boss.
Yeah.
Afeen's elimination was very unfair.
True, that is true.
It was very unfair.
Very.
उसके बाद next was me in line. So for some celebrities, you know, the top 4, top 5, there's favoritism.
Yeah.
ठीक है, मुझे अपना स्पेस जताने के लिए बहुत मेहनत करना पड़ा अंदर. ड्रामा, मेकिंग श्योर दैट I voice my opinion whether it's liked or not. And I realized that inside Big Boss, कि in a normal circumstances, if you and me fight, I will really not raise my voice, or I will not strongly give you an opinion. No, this is it, this is that, this is it. But in Big Boss you have to, क्योंकि thought तो नहीं सुन सकता ना public
Exactly.
तो आपको voice ही करना है, और जब आप ना feeling voice करते हो तो गुस्से में निकलता ही है. And they promote that, and so for me and they encourage it. So for me to have my space, I had to come out even more stronger with that. People thought I was psycho, people thought I was crazy, but that strategy of mine kept me there for 3 months. I would have been out right after Afi.
Yeah.
Because people didn't like me. People were threatened by me inside.
That is why you were not in the top whatever, no?
Yeah.
Because honestly, I have I'm not scared to say this on record that your season Big Boss was the most shocking in terms of who won and who went ahead and top 2, 3, because like we didn't expect, and if it's an audience game, if we are the ones voting, then how is it happening? Because everyone had that same opinion. So I do understand that this time there was a lot of favoritism that happened.
Yeah, it was. There was a lot of favoritism. And I could just feel it, man. And it was driving me even more mad because me, Afeen, we didn't go there to chill. We took that opportunity and we were all out there. And there are certain contestants who did nothing.
Exactly.
And still were going ahead. Still going ahead. Still going ahead. Kitni baar to nominations cancel bhi hua tha, eliminations.
True.
Just because certain people were
Nominated, yeah.
So, but I loved the experience.
Yeah.
Whatever it is, Big Boss was the biggest lesson for me. वो होता है ना, मैंने पहले भी बोला है, अभी भी बोल रही हूँ that it was a life lesson. Fast forwarded in 3 months. So I have come out even stronger.
Yeah.
And Big Boss has given me that platform where actually people coming up to me, they're knowing my first name, and they are giving me so much love. There are some haters, and I love haters also. कोई तो haters होंगे ना, तो
that is
you
true.
Feel good, like okay, fine, you have haters as well. So when I don't have haters, I'll be worried. So people are coming up to me, hugging me. My fans are mostly the younger fans.
Oh, so
they're
sweet.
so cute. They run up to me in the malls and stuff and said, "आपको हम बहुत पसंद करते थे. आपका वो भूत वाला किस्सा देखा." I was like,
wow, this is what you want,
yeah, it's like, I entertained.
That is
and I'm
true.
in real life also like this.
Like
By the way, I celebrate Halloween much better than Diwali.
Ooh,
and I
wow.
love scaring people. I love this whole spooky thing.
Yeah.
So even my kids love it. So we celebrate Halloween in a big way. तो मुझे मजा आ रहा था डराने का, और वो एपिसोड कितना
वो viral हो गया. हाँ, my God, those clips are viral even today.
Really?
Yeah, they keep popping up in my Explore वाला Insta feed, and I'm like, my God, people really liked this version of you inside. But that being said, we have experienced so many different meanings of feminism today, and one thing that really stuck with me was when you spoke about masculinity and femininity, which I completely agree that we have stopped being in our feminine era.
Yeah.
क्योंकि हमें सब कुछ करना. Now I do understand we all need to be financially independent, we need to do our work, but we have sort of lost that charm of being a woman because we want to be a boss everywhere.
Should I be really blunt?
Yeah, please go ahead.
We've started growing balls.
Yeah.
And we've started making men more feminine.
Yeah.
I don't understand, and it's our fault, and the reason why I'm saying our fault is because when we take responsibility is when we will make our change.
Yeah.
हम दूसरों पे responsibility छोड़ेंगे, मतलब you're giving the power. So I take this responsibility in my environment. If I see a man behaving like a total idiot or nerd, I have given that opportunity to that person. Maybe I have given that authority. You can be a nerd because I'm taking in charge. I love taking charge, but I love my man taking charge of me, and it's not a bad thing. I don't know why we don't understand this. Dude, we are women. We should be treated like queens. If there's a kingdom, like you said, Shiro, there is queendom as well. And queendom mein kya hota hai? Have you understood the whole thing of king and queen? A prince can never be a king unless he's not married and has a queen.
True.
Every thought process, every idea comes from the queen. When the king invades a country, when the king goes at war, the entire planning is made with the queen's mind.
That is true.
Because you cannot crush a woman's mind. It is stronger, and then you want equality. Bhai, equality in terms of salary, in terms of status, in
Respect.
terms of power,
Yeah.
yes.
Absolutely.
Fight for it. We deserve it. We have fought for the power of our voting and everything.
Yeah.
But equality in terms of I can do this. Dude, everybody know we can do a lot more than men. Okay? We don't have to wave our flags all the time about it. Just give them a go ahead, and
I
you
know.
see what they'll do for you. They're like pets. You know,
That's
you make them feel like a man. You see, we'll do
Yeah.
anything for you.
Oh
You
my
challenge
God.
their masculinity. You've lost the game there.
That
and
is
then.
true. That is true.
Because our biggest power lies in our feminine power.
Yes, to make them feel needed. Like, you know, can you help me with this? And they'll offer the, you know, the moons and the star to you. But if you make them feel like you are less and you can't do anything, then of course that goes
और
there.
किसको ना हमको भी पता है कि हम लोग कुछ भी we can win anything, but let's just pretend to give them the power at least. You know?
But Sara, this was such a nice conversation, heart to heart conversation, and I'm so thankful to you for giving so many perspectives to me which none of my previous guests have given on parenting, on feminism. I have never heard somebody define feminism the way you did, and that is why I wanted to ask you this, because I have seen that clip where you're talking a little about it, and this may come as a shock to some people, and some people might have different things to say, but I feel that is what is your individuality. You don't fear to give your point of view.
Absolutely.
But on that note, thank you so much for being a part of Shiro's. It was lovely talking to you.
Thank you so much for having me, and as I said, you know, this subject is very close to my heart, and I can actually, you know, honestly can go on and on and on, and while we're going on, we're going to have such different ideas on empowerment as well, which we'll maybe talk on the, you know, we'll touch this subject later.
Absolutely,
It's the kind of power we have.
Yeah.
It is unbelievable.
Yeah, it's unmatched. Absolutely.
But a man cannot dim our light. It's us.
It's us. We do it.
तुम क्यों वो power दे रहे हो किसी को? And if you've noticed, every time a woman is criticized, is more criticized by a woman and not a man.
Absolutely, I
When
agree.
you get married into you know, some other culture, family, it's more the women that are trying to put you down, not the husband.
Yeah.
You know, and they will manipulate the husband. They will do. It's like, why is there no sisterhood? Why is there only brotherhood?
Yeah.
That we must learn from men.
True,
We must learn how they have oaths. What happens between them?
Yeah.
No one knows.
Bros
they
before
go on,
hoes.
yeah, they go on their you know, boys trip out and all. It's like, यहाँ पे आप secret बता के देखो girls trip में, और झगड़ा उसके बाद हो जाए फिर तो देखो आप.
It becomes gossip.
It
Yeah.
becomes gossip. I have faced it.
Wow.
So yeah, it's like, oh, I know what she does. I'm like, yeah, I do. My husband knows what I do. He knows
Lovely.
everything actually.
But no, kudos to even Afeen, because he seems like a very secure man.
Yes.
Who has made sure you have your wings and you fly, and he
Yes.
will always support you.
Even in Big Boss, as you
Yeah,
saw.
yeah.
He didn't like and we didn't fight.
True.
And there were so many reasons,
I
and they gave us
know.
so many reasons, and
They
were
wanted
giving
you
us-
guys to
they're like-
fight, yeah.
And I'm finding it funny.
Yeah.
I was actually finding it funny, and probably that's why Afeen was eliminated, because we झगड़ा ही नहीं कर रहे हम लोग.
हाँ, तो उन्होंने बोला
करे
एक
क्या?
को,
एक को
हाँ.
निकालो, दूसरा अपने आप हिल जाएगा.
But thank you so much. We'll have a very nice at-length conversation once we
Definitely.
again have time, because there are so many things I want to discuss with you. But thank you for being on Shiro's.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for
so
having
much.
me.
You're most welcome.
Hi, I'm Sara Afeen Khan, and you're watching me on FPJ Showbiz.